Right. Squaring the numbers. After completion of squaring the numbers, we will learn fast additions. Fast additions, okay? Sorry. That's also very amazing technique, okay? So squaring the numbers today, what kind of numbers we are going to square? Not all the numbers, one particular type of numbers. We are going to square one particular number of the particular type of the numbers. What numbers? Just you check here, what kind of the numbers we are going to do here. See. Squaring the numbers made up of 6. Remember, only 6, no other digits. Squaring the numbers made up of 6s only, maybe 1 6, maybe double, triple, all, no other number. There must be only 6. Okay, now? So how to square the number? You know what is squaring? Do you know what is the meaning? What is the meaning of squaring? Multiplying with the same number. You don't know, Supriya? Well, see, 22 square means 22 into 22. 32 square means 32 into 32. Squaring means multiplying with the same number. Multiplying with the same number is called square. Okay. Now, what type of the numbers we are going to square today? The numbers made up of 6. That means no other digit, only you can find the 6s there. What is the first step to write the answers directly? Let me delete all this. Yeah. Okay. For example, 666. Just can you square it? You can square it, but it takes a lot of time. Am I right or not? It kills our time. If you use the usual method, means like this, 666 into, this is the usual method to find out the square. No. So it kills your time, so much time, isn't it? So without killing the time, without using the usual method, we have one shortcut method to find out the answers. For what type of the numbers this is applicable? The numbers which are made up of 6 only. If you find all 6s, you can write, you can square very easily using these steps. What is the first step? Write force. Write force 1 less than digits in 6s. First one. Then write 3. Then write 5 same as the number of 4s. Then write 6. There are 4 steps. We will start. I'll explain you 1. Okay. Let us find out square of 666. See, I'm going to write the answer directly. I don't want to follow the usual method. Directly, I will write the answers. First, what you should do according to the first step? Write force. We should write the force. How many force you should write? 1 less than the digits in 6. How many 6s are there? 3 6s are there, no? So you should write 1 less than. That means 2. Okay, 2 4s you should write. So once again I'm explaining. So if you want to find out any number which is made up of 6 means, first you should write 4s. How many number of 4s you should write mean? You should count the 6s. How many 6s are there? Less than that 1 6 you should write. Here 3 digits are there, no? If there are 3 digits means you should write 2 4s. If there are 4 6s means you should write 3 4s. One number less, okay na? Got it? Okay. So we should start with 4s only. How many 4s you should write? Depend on the digits here. Here 3 digits are there. That's why we should write 2 only. 2 4s only. This first step we have completed. Then write 3. Simply 1 3 you should write there. Only 1 3. The number may be bigger, may be smaller. whatever it may be, after writing 4s, you should write 3. So second step completed. So here someone started spoiling the screen. I'll remove him from C. Jagityal Dikshita, want to stay in the class? See, I'll remove her in the class. If possible, permanently also. One second. Now nobody will touch our screen, okay? So once again, we need to write. So 666. Usually nobody will do that. I don't know then how she is doing. Maybe whether she is doing or with her name others doing, I don't know. But I will find out. Okay. Now nobody will find out, do that kind of foolish thing. Okay. So 666 square, no. So first we should write 4s. How many 4s you should write? Depend on this number of the digits. So here 3 digits are there. So you should write 2 4s. This completed. Second step, after writing 4s, you should write 3. 1 3 you should add. Then write 5 same as the number of 4s. Now you have to write 5s. How many 5s you should write? How many 4s are there? The same number of the 5s you should write. The same number of the 5s you should write. 555. Okay. Why we have written 2 5s means 2 4s are there. Then finally you should add 6. That's it. This is the answer. First, we'll take another one. 6666. Squaring this number. 6666. Okay. How to square this number? Kundana Peddi, you have any doubt? You can message me. I'm seeing your hand there. You can message. So let us take another one. How to square this? First, you should understand. We should write 4s, isn't it? How many 4s you should write? That depend on number of the digits. If there are 4 digits means less than 1 you should write. 4 digits means if you less 1, there will be 3. No, 3 4s you should write. That's it. Here 4 digits are there. So we have written 3 4s. Here 3 are there. That's why we have written 2 4s. Got it? So 1 less than the number of 6s. 1 less than the number of 6s. Yeah. Yeah, someone, she has sent answer also. Very good, very good. So then simply, second step, simply add 3 only. Add 3. Third step, you should write the 5s. How many 5s you should write? Equal number of 4s, you should write the 5s. Here 3 4s are there, no. So we should write 3 5s. Okay. Then last we should end with 6. That's it. How easy this is? We'll find out another one. We'll take this time 3 4 5 6 7. 7 6s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See, squaring this number, how much time it takes? It takes so much time, no? So much time squaring such numbers. But using the shortcut immediately, we can write the answer, no? So first we should write the 4s. How many number of the 4s you should write? First you count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 6s are there. So how many 4s you should write? 1 less than, isn't it? That means 7 are there. So you write 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here 7 digits are there. That's why I have written 1 less than that. That means 6 4s I have written. Then simply add 3. Then you should write 5s. How many 5s? Equal number of the 4s you should write 5s. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 5s you should write. 1 2 3 4 5. Then add 6. That's it. That's very big problem. That's very big one. Just within seconds we have completed. Directly we have written the answer. These are very important. Then in competitive exams particularly, and simplifying physics problems also, because sometimes we'll get very big numbers in physics, no, while solving physics problems. So this is very important. So this is the way of finding the squares. This is applicable for the numbers which are made up of 6 only. If there is another number instead of 6 means this formula is not applicable. This is applicable if the number is made up of only 6. Okay. 1 second. So how many 4s you should write? How many 4s you should write? That depend on the number of the 6s, isn't it? If there are 4 6s, you should write 3 4s. If there are 3 6s, you should write 2 4s. If there are 7 6s, you should write 6 4s. See, tell me, if there are 100 6s are there, 100 6s are there, can you tell me how many 4s we should write? Just message me. That's very nice. Yeah, very good, very good. If there are 100 6s means we should write 99 4s. After writing 99 4s, you should add 3 and again 99 5s. Am I right? Then finally 6. 99 means 99 times you should write it. Isn't it? See how long that number, imagine. 99 4s are there, 3 also there, 99 5s also there, isn't it? Then finally 6. That's very big number. But we can immediately, then we can write the answer without calculator, without taking time. So, okay, then we'll move to the next one. Okay, another one. See, this is a different one. Different means this is made up of 3s, but ending 4. Made up of 3s, ending 4. That means what type of the number? 3 4, 3 3 4, 3 3 3 4, 3 3 3 3 4. This kind of the numbers. All 3s only, but in ones place 4. All 3s, but ones place 4. Okay, now how to find out squares to this kind of the numbers? All 3s, but in ones place 4. Okay. So here, what is the first step? Write ones. One more than the digits 3. Write ones. Okay, yeah, right. First, what we should do? We have to write ones. More than one the digits in the 3s. Step 2. Then write 5. Then write 5. Then write 6. That's it. 3 steps only. So let us find out 34. How to square 34? Okay, now 34 square. 34 square means first what we should do? We should sorry. We should write ones. How many ones you should write? See, write ones, one more than the digits in 3s. Here 2 digits are there? No. 2 digits means write one here. 1 second. One more than, like this. Here only 1 3 is there. So you should write 2 digits. 2 ones. So how many 3s are there? That depends. Here only 1 3 is there. That's why you should write 2 ones. Try to understand. Write ones, one more than the digits in 3s. One more than the digits in 3s. So how many number of the digits are there? So plus one digit you should write there. Okay. First step we completed. Second step. Then write 5, same as the number of the digits. Now 5 you have to write. So how many 3s are there? Same number of the 5s you should write. That means 5. Only one digit is there, no? So ones means more 1. But 5s same. How many 3s are there? The same number of the 5s you should write it. Okay, na? Then third step, then write 6. That's it. You can take the screenshot because there are step 2, step 3 all clearly then I have written no. So, and it is better to take the screenshots also. So 34 square means 1156 and another one 334. I told you know what kind of the numbers these are? All 3s but in units place 4. All 3s but in units place 4. Now you write ones. How many ones you should write? How many ones you should write means that decides number of the 3s. Here 2 number of the 3s are there. So we should write 3 ones. You count to 3s, add 1, then write ones. 2 3s means 3 digits. 4 means 5 like that. And then second step what you should write? 5s. But 5s equal number of 3s. 5s equal number of 3s. 2 3s are there. So you can write 2 5s. Then last step is very easy. Last step very easy. What is the last step? Simply add 6. Last step very easy. Simply just you have to add 6. Okay. And another, we'll take another one. And 3. So this one. So first we should write 4s. Sorry, first we should write ones. No. Can you tell me how many ones I should write there? Message me. How many ones? How many ones we should write there? Good, good. No, not 3, not 4. Not 4. How many ones? See, one more than the digits in 3s. You should count the 3s. You should count the 3s plus one more number. You should count the 3s plus one more number. How many 3s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 3s are there. So one more number means 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 ones you should write there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Why we have written 5 means here 4 3s are there. Here 4 3s means you should write 5 ones. Here 100 3s means you should write 101 ones. Here 75 3s means here you should write 76 ones. Count the 3s plus 1 plus 1, one extra one you should write there. This is writing ones. Okay, now after writing, then write 5s. How many 5s you should write? 5s, it's very easy. 5s number of the 3s equal. See here 4 3s are there, no? So 4 5s you should write. 5s equal only. Ones means one extra one you should write. Ones means one extra one you should write. But 5s equal number of the 3s. Here 4 numbers are there means 5s also 4 number. Here 10 3s are there means here 5s also 10. Like that. 5s equal okay. But ones one extra. Ones one extra. Ones one extra. 5s equal. Just you remember like this. Ones one extra. 5s equal. Ones one extra. 5s equal. Then final last step is very easy. What is the last step? Just adding 6. I'll write one here. You try to then message this answer. Everyone do and just message me. Square. Find out the square. 4. Last 4. No. Yeah. Find out the square of this number. Everyone you should do that. Everybody, I'm expecting answer from everyone. I will check it. I'll take the screenshot. I'll keep in the group if you don't say answer. How many ones? Then you should count threes. Then one extra one you should write there. Then you write fives. How many fives? Equal number of threes. Then add six. That's it. Extra one, five equal. One, extra one, five equal. Supriya is not sending the answer. Supriya, even you are not trying to send the answer. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I got, yeah, some of you have sent. Very good. Yeah, Supriya already sent. Very good, very good. And Sai Sloka also. Sai Sloka, you haven't sent the answer. And Jyotigar, okay. Kundana Piti, okay, then yeah, 2-3 members only sent. So first write ones. How many ones you should write? How many ones you should write? It decides the number of the threes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means you should write one extra. That means 8. 8 ones you should write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First step completed. Then write fives. Fives. But fives equal number of threes. No. Fives equal. Ones means one extra. Fives equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. So 7 fives you should write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the last step? Adding 6 is the last step. That's it. This is the way of multiplying. Squaring a number and this type of number. So all threes, but in ones place 4. All threes, but in ones place 4. So we'll move to the next one. This is another different one. Squaring numbers, see all sixes, but in ones place 7. All sixes, but in ones place 7. Okay, now. So how to square this kind of the number? Squaring, not 67 square, 667 square. This all these squares. How to square this kind of the numbers? So first write force, 1 more than the digits in sixes. Write force, 1 more than the digits in sixes. So 67 is there. This answer start with force. This number start with the force. How many force you should write? Then 1 more than the digits in sixes. In this number, how many sixes are there? You should count the 6. Here only 1 6 is there. So add more 1. So totally 2. So 2 4 you should write it. 1 more than the sixes in the number. 1 more than the sixes in number. Here only 1 6 is there. That's why you should write 2 4s. Here 3 sixes means that side you should write 4 4s. Here 10 sixes means that side you should write 11 4s. That depend on the sixes in this number. How many 4s you should write? That depends on the number in this sixes. Okay, now. So first step we completed. We have written 4. Step 2, write 8 same as the number of sixes. Here how many 6 are there? Same number of the 8s you should write. Only 1 6 is there. Only 1 6 is there. So you should write only 1 8. Okay, now that's it. Then what is the next step? Then add 9. That's it. Just you write 9. That's it. Very easy. Take another one. See, 4 1 extra, same number 8. 6 6 7. Okay. How to square this one? Sorry, 6 6 7. I will write once again. Square. What is the first step? You should write 4s first. You should write 4s. How many 4s you should write? That depend on the number of the 6s. 2 6s are there. You should write 3 4s. This actually in fast I typed, so this. Okay. So 2 6s are there. You should write 3 4s. Then write 8, same number of the 6s. 2 6s are there. So write 2 8s. Then add 9. That's it. Then go to the next one. 6 6 6 7. Squaring this number. See, what kind of the number? All 6s, but in units place 7. All 6s, but in units place 7. Okay, now. So then first you write 4s. 1 2 3 4 6s. So how many you should write? 4s? 5 4s. 1 2 3 4 5. First step completed. Then write 8s. 8s means same number of 6s. 4 6s are there. So 4 8s you should write. Then add 9. That's it. Okay, now? Akshara, you can type it if you have any problem. You can take the screenshot, okay? And we'll move forward. First, you should write 4s. 4 means 1 extra than the number of 6s. And then 8s equal to number of 6s. Yeah. If it get discontinue, suddenly if get disconnected means immediately after 5 minutes you should join. Okay, na? After 5 minutes or after 4 minutes you should join it. Because for every 40 minutes it get disconnected. You know that we are using pre-version only. Okay. Yes. Yeah. See, this is already we know how to multiply. Sorry. Okay. Multiplying with 9s actually. We know this, but here a different technique. I'm going to discuss a different technique. How to find out square of 99? 99 square. Do you know how many of you remember old technique? If you remember, just to type yes. Multiplying with 9s. Yeah, very good. Kundana Pedi, very good. And any another? Do you remember how to multiply a number with 99, 999, Akshara Guda? Okay, very good. Yeah, Supriya. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. So here we will discuss different one. Okay. We'll take 999, 99 will take, or 999. We'll take 999. Okay. Write 9s 1 less than the digits in 9s. That means 999 means 3 9s are there, means you should write only 2 9s. Then you should write 1 8. 1 8 directly you should write there. Okay. See, step 3, then write zeros 1 less than the digits in 3, digits in 9. Zeros. How many zeros? How many zeros you should write? Here 3 nines means you should write 2 zeros only. Then add 1 directly. We'll take another one. Three, 4, 5. Okay, now how to square this? Write nines. Write nines 1 less than the digits in 9. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nines. No, 5 nines means you should write 4 nines only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then simply you should write 8. It's okay. Then write 0. How many zeros you should write? 1 less than the digits in 9. 3, 4, 5 are there? No, 5 digits means you should write 4 zeros. Okay. Then write 1. So when you get the time tomorrow, just you check all these. You check all these, okay? And others also we can do. The same, using the same thing, and multiplying 99 means you know other formulas also. Okay. And oh God. Yeah, this is interesting one actually. This is very interesting, and you feel very happy doing this kind of the multiplications actually. You feel very happy. See, this makes very fun. See, multiplying any 2-digit number, any 2-digit number by 101. 101, 2 digits only, 2 digits into 101. See, 53 into 101. You know, simply what you should do? Simply write original number twice. You have to write the same number twice. That's it. 53 into 101 means 53, 53. That's it. You have to write the same number twice. So multiplying with 101, very easy. 99 also very easy. No, for 9 multiplying with 99 means we have formulas. Multiplying with 100 also we know that. Multiplying 100 means it's very easy, you know that. Now multiplying with 101 also very easy. Multiplying with 101 means very simply what you should do? You should write the original number twice, 2 times. Only this is applicable for 2 digits number. 2 digits number into 101, not 3 digits, not 4 digits. Okay, only for 2 digits numbers. So 75. 75 into 101. Can you say answer? 75, 75. That's it. 87. 87 into 10 is equal 87 into 87. That's it. Okay, 99 into 101. Same. Very, very easy. Okay. And now I'll write one number here. And everybody, you should send your answer. 64. 64 square. Sorry, 64 into 101. Please, everyone, you should send the answer. 64 into 101. Good, good. Shai Sloka, yeah. Good. Everyone, I am waiting for your answers. I'll write another one. 66 into 101. Good, good. How fast? And 98 into 101. right? That's it. 79 into 1